Hello everyone, my name is Michael Kelbaugh, and I'll be giving a short demonstration of my clock game project for the Scripting Languages course at UMBC. The project is a simple browser-based game designed to help young school children learn how to tell time on an analog clock. So here we have the project directory. It's pretty simple. You can see it's put together with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this media folder, you have the audio files and image files that the game uses. So in order to start playing, all you have to do is open up the HTML document, proj1.html. You'll be prompted to enter in the student's name, and then the game can begin. So I turned up the sound just for the purposes of demonstration. So you see an analog clock with a time on it, and below it 3 buttons, each with a time on it. So the goal is simply to press the button that corresponds to the time on the analog clock. So right now you can see the long minute hand is pointing at 12, the short hour hand is pointing at 2, it's 2 o'clock. I'll click 2, I'll get a good job message, I'll earn 100 points, and the clock hands will rotate to a new time. Now it's 7 o'clock. I guessed correctly on my first try, so I get 100 points. If I miss on my first try, I'll get a try again message. So right now it's 5 o'clock, if I guess 10, I'll have to try again. If I guess correctly on my second attempt, I'll get 50 points. If it takes me all 3 guesses to get the right answer, I'll only get 10 points. After earning 400 points, the student gets to advance to a new level, now level 2, and the game will get more difficult. So right now the minute hand can point to any of the quarter hours, the 3, the 6, the 9, or the 12. So right now it's 1:45. Good job, I get 100 points. I'll turn the sound back on. So now on level 4, the minute hand can point anywhere on the clock. So you can see it gets more difficult as the game progresses. I shortened this up for the purposes of demonstration. In the real game, the difficulty increase will happen over a longer period of time. So the first increase in difficulty happens at level 4, then level 7, and then finally level 10 will be most difficult. If the teacher wants to let a different student play, all he or she has to do is click the change player link on the bottom left-hand corner of the page, enter the password, which is happy, H-A-P-P-Y, and then the name of the new student, say Joe. Now Joe is welcome to the game, the score and level reset, as does the level of difficulty, and now Joe can play. If the teacher wants to let Michael have another turn, just click the change player link, enter in the password again, and then the name of the student. And now Michael is welcome back with the score and level of difficulty maintained, and Michael can resume play. If you want to see all the student data, just click the View Data link, bottom left-hand corner of the page, enter in the password. If you do the wrong password, nothing happens, no worries, just type it in again, and you'll see a simple HTML table. Each row has a student with their data, score, correct answers, missed answers, last level completed, and the time spent playing. And the game also records the statistics for the average student. So that's Jungle Clock. The game doesn't really end, it goes on forever, sort of like an arcade game. The student progresses through levels. So I hope you enjoyed playing. Thanks for listening.